Hey guys, I'm showing you this WYZE Cam Pen V3 version. So this is a pen cam. So that means like it can rotate at different angles and can capture the things. So now in the new model, you can use it for the outdoor or the indoor use. You can also comes with a mount that you can use outdoor as well on the wall with the screws. So the camera will flow. So I will show you its unboxing and quick installation thing. So here is the model. So this is a complete redesign from the previous cam versions or cam pen versions, I will say. And this comes with the accessory box. So this have like this camera and then rotating mount in the bottom. This also have this mount that you can use, and there's a screw in the screw boxing, like the accessory stuff here. So it's a small screw that you can just put in to store with it, and then you can have this cable. So that's a USB cable that is used to power the camera. So this comes with that adapter, then with this cable. So we can just put in this cable, and you can also put the mount if you want to, but I will use it without the mount directly indoor. And then you can put it close this wire so that it can rotate easily. So I started the cam, and then when it started, it have this SD card and the setup button. So just put in the SD card in it, so that it's easy to install, and it will start rotating. So see all the position and stuff. So you can see that it can rotate to a much better position than the previous cam pen versions. So I'm just putting in a micro SD card so that I can install this camera. So you have to use the WYZE cam and then add cam, and it asks for the device. It just choose go with the screen, asking for press the button, setup button. Once everything is all set, your camera is installed. And once this is installed, then you can just set this up. So overall, a nice camera with a new version Pen 1.